Hello students, I already started discussing article writing, some important samples, all samples. Here also I will discuss another important socially relevant topic, and this topic that I am about to discuss, rather some points that I will discuss related with this topic is related with gender discrimination. That is one of the burning problems that we face in our country a lot. So let me go through the question once, then I will move on to the answer. And you might note one thing that I already told you previously that 3 paragraphs should be there in article writing. But while I am discussing all these questions, you might find that sometimes 1 paragraph is been mentioned, sometimes 2. Because dear students, I want to say that these are all the points. Maybe I have given you some value points. You can consider these solutions as value points also, some hints also. You can elaborate, and definitely 3 paragraphs are a must. But here you will find that, especially here in this question that I am about to discuss, only 1 paragraph I have given where I have used some points. But this is not all. You can these points are given so that you can write on your own. So when you will write in exam, at that time make sure that you make 3 paragraphs. So now let me come to the main question. In most Indian families, particularly in rural areas, the girl child is considered inferior to the male child. I already told you this is a socially relevant topic. So girl child is considered inferior to the male child. As a result of this bias, a daughter is considered a burden and she suffers discrimination in the matter of food, freedom, health and education. Not only in the matter of food, but also in the matter of freedom, health and education also. Write an article, word limit 150 to 200, already been told to you all. Marks is 8, remember it. Showing how such an attitude is harmful and unjust. And names are given. If no names will be mentioned, then you can write XYZ or ABC. You can write your own name also, but it's better you write XYZ or ABC if no names are mentioned. And if in the question names are mentioned, then you can write either Satyen or Sunidhi. So let me just go through the points and let me try to explain this particular important topic. This is a social relevant topic. Evils of gender discrimination by Satyen or Sunidhi. In our male dominated society, the girl child is considered inferior. And remember one thing, here the verbal input points are associated with the question only. Separately, the verbal input points are not given in this question. If you go through the question, you will find, but enough materials are there in the question that will give us idea what we are about to write about, what we are about to write. So let me continue. In our male dominated society, the girl child is considered inferior. The birth of a male child is an event for celebration, while that of a female child is rude. Now, this is the superstitious, primitive mentality of our Indian society, that this bias between a boy child and a girl child is still continuing. Now, this has to stop. And how it will stop? Obviously, we have to be rational. And how we can be rational? When we are no more illiterate. When we will be literate. When we will learn to read and write. And that is the reason in backward communities in our country, still the birth of a male child is celebrated. Auspicious, grand event, whereas the birth of a female child is considered to be a curse, to be very honest. The bias is more pronounced in rural areas. In village side, backward communities, I already told you, this is very much prevalent. Daughters are not given good quality food. Unfortunately, they were not given good quality food, and not only that, milk, eggs, fruit, etc. are reserved for the boys, not for the girls. Girls are sent to schools which have no claim to any quality education or facilities. Now, girls are normally sent to inferior schools where uh, education facilities are all inferior. Exactly the opposite happens in case of the boys. They are sent to good colleges and schools. On the other hand, boys are sent to the most exclusive public schools. After school, the daughters stay at home and assist in household work. The boys go out to meet friends, enjoy movies and shows, or play games. Now, the daughters, they remain inside the house, whereas the boys, they go out to enjoy movies, they go out to play. That means they go outside. Now, here is disparity also. You can note the disparity or the difference in the way a girl is brought up and a boy is brought up. The boys go out to meet friends or to hang with friends, enjoy movies and shows or play games. It is the girls who face all types of bondages, or in other words, we can say restrictions. This discrimination is unjust and harmful. Ultimately, it is the society that suffers because development is only possible when both boy and a girl is given proper education, because ultimately they are the two wheels of a social carriage. Now, if you take out one wheel, then obviously the carriage will not move. So, proper education of both boys and girls are a must. So, I repeat, it is the girls who face all types of restrictions. The discrimination is unjust and harmful. Ultimately, it is the society that suffers on a whole. If we consider the bigger picture, then obviously it is the human society that suffers. Girls too have intelligence, talent, and creativity. Yes, girls too have intelligence, talent, and creativity. Yes, and we have to encourage them just like we encourage the boys. Indeed, they have more sensibility, affection, and love. Indeed, they are more sensible, they are more affectionate, and they are more lovable. We should end the evil discrimination against the girl child. It is high time that we have to be more rational, and we should end the evil discrimination that exists in our society against the girl child. Then only the society can progress, and ultimately then only the country can progress. So that was the article related with evils of gender discrimination. Now, another article I am discussing. Now, this is also very important: younger generation and information technology. So, here also few points will be discussed, and why? Because it will help you to develop or gain ideas. So, the question is, the IT we talk about, or the information technology, has provided new avenues to the students for knowledge, creativity, discovery, as well as job opportunities at home and abroad. Not only that, if you are good in information technology, then you can get jobs in big corporate sectors in home or in abroad. Computers have brought in a silent revolution. We all know this. Write an article in 150 to 200 words showing how the information technology has provided the younger generation new opportunities, joys of discovery, and thrill of creativity. You are Madhu oblique Mudit. Now names are given, and the topic is related with information technology. So how we will proceed? Again, some important points will be discussed by me. Now the main topic is, the article is all about information technology and younger generation. Now, the information technology has provided new avenues to the students for acquiring knowledge, enhancing thrills of creativity, enjoying pleasures of discovery, as well as new job opportunities at home and abroad. Not only it helps students to acquire knowledge, it also uh, helps students to enjoy the thrills of creativity. Pleasures of discovery also are at their disposal, and not only that, new job opportunities also they can get, not only at home but also in abroad, in foreign countries also. And computers have paved a revolution, have created a revolution, paved to a great extent for this. It created a silent revolution. These electronic devices are as efficient as the best of human brains. Yes, computers or these electronic devices like computers, they are as superior, as efficient as the best of human brains. Computers have become indispensable in data processing and resource planning. It is now unthinkable without computers when we talk about data processing and resource planning. Access to internet has opened vast field of knowledge to the computer operator. Now internet, it has also changed the perspective of how you look at the world globally, because at the click of your mouse you can get information from any corner of the world. Internet has really upgraded the knowledge of human mind. Now we can get information whatever is happening in the world at the click of a mouse. So from that we can imagine the power, how powerful internet is, isn't it? Now, access to internet has opened vast field of knowledge to the computer operator. Computer is more than a calculating machine. No doubt it has made lengthy calculations and working out tedious problems a matter of fun. Tedious means long problems, tedious problems. Now it is a matter of fun. It can be done within few seconds, to say in a specific manner, because now lengthy calculations, lengthy mathematical problems, all these things can be done quite easily. In writing articles too, it helps like a friend by correcting spellings and grammatical errors. Yes, if you want to write something and if you want to check your English grammar, then obviously with the help of computers you can do that. It will like a friend, it will help you. It will guide you in correcting spellings, grammatical errors. Even in case of web designing, email and e-commerce are quite engrossing and rewarding. In case of web designing, e-commerce, in case of grammatical errors and correcting spellings also, computers plays a very important role. So dear students, 2 more article writings I have discussed in this audio. Go through it. I will discuss few more in my next audio presentation. Thank you all.